Hi, my name is Erika Svenkeson, and today I will be talking to you about propagation by stem cuttings. Propagation by cuttings is one of the most common methods used in commercial nurseries. A cutting is a vegetative plant part which is severed from the parent plant in order to regenerate itself, resulting in a whole new plant. There are many different types of cutting methods, but today we will be focusing on stem cuttings of basil plants. Now, before you begin propagating, it is important to start off in a sterile working environment. This will prevent the spreading of diseases and the growth of bacteria. You'll want to clean your work surfaces and sanitize all of your tools with a water and bleach solution. You'll also want to use a sterile media, something that is porous enough for root aeration and drainage, but also capable of water and nutrient retention. One of the most common is a soilless media consisting of sphagnum moss and vermiculite, which are both generally free of diseases, weed seeds, and insects. It's also light enough that the delicate roots will have no problem growing through it. When you're ready to start propagating, you'll want to wet your media so that you don't have to saturate it after your cuttings have been planted. You want the soil to be evenly moist but not soaked. In order to propagate by stem cuttings, you want to cut the herbaceous stem just above the node where the lateral branches are forming. For this, you'll want to use very sharp garden scissors to ensure a nice clean cut. Leaves on the lower part of your stem cutting should be removed so that you can bury more stem in your media. You typically don't want any leaves to be buried in your media, which can cause rotting. If your cuttings have larger leaves on them, I recommend cutting them in half to reduce transpiration. Since your cuttings have no roots yet, you don't want them losing too much water. Before planting, you may want to dip your cut stems into a rooting hormone. This will promote quicker and stronger root growth and can be bought online or at most garden centers, but this is completely optional. Plant your cuttings up to just under the node or when the base of the stem is halfway to the bottom of your tray. Once your tray is full, you'll want to mist the leaves and then cover them with a plastic top to retain moisture and humidity. Make sure that your cuttings stay moist and in a humid environment while they grow their roots. You can check their progress by gently tugging on the cuttings to see if you get any resistance. You'll know that they're ready to transplant when they begin to develop new growth, which should take around 2 to 3 weeks. And that's how you propagate by stem cuttings. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.